In this tutorial, we will be discussing the scientific method. The scientific method is a set of general principles that helps to describe how a scientist thinks. First, they make observations about nature and ask questions about what you observe. Then, you propose a hypothesis, which states a possible explanation of these observations. Several experiments may be done to test this hypothesis. When results of the experiments are analyzed, a conclusion is made as to whether the hypothesis may be true or false. Let's start with a very easy example. Suppose you visit a friend in a home, and soon after you arrive, you begin to sneeze. You observe that your friend has a new cat. You ask yourself why you're sneezing and form a hypothesis that you think you're allergic to cats. You perform experiments to test this hypothesis by visiting other friends that you have that happen to have cats. If you sneeze after visiting the homes with cats, you come to the conclusion that your hypothesis is correct. The hypothesis is modified if the results of the experiment do not support it. So, you have the observation, then you come to why you think it happens that way. Then you test an experiment and see if you're right or wrong. If you're wrong, you may form a new hypothesis based upon that, and it becomes kind of a cycle. That's why they start calling it an inquiry cycle nowadays, because you're constantly asking yourself more questions. It's never really fully finished. The scientific method develops conclusions using observations, hypotheses, and experiments.